Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving right into what is honestly the biggest furniture showdown of the decade. We're looking at a true heavyweight matchup, the beloved, absolute classic HEMNES line going head-to-head with the brand-new 2026 GULLABERG series. Now, if you've ever shopped for a bedroom, you know HEMNES. It's a staple in so many homes. But there is a new challenger in town, and we're going to break down all the specs to see exactly what's changed. Let's dive in.
So, is it finally time to replace a classic? That's the core question of our explainer today. For decades, the HEMNES series has been the absolute champion of traditional wooden Scandinavian design. You probably have a piece in your house right now, or you definitely know someone who does. But as engineering standards, safety regulations, and just our modern aesthetic preferences evolve, we have to ask, does a classic design from the past need a major technical modernization for the future?
To figure this out, here's our roadmap. Number 1, the classic versus the newcomer. 2, materials and build quality. 3, safety and smart engineering. 4, the PAX wardrobe connection. And 5, the final verdict.
All right, section 1, the classic versus the newcomer. Let's take a look at the design evolution.
On one side, we've got HEMNES. This is literally IKEA's flagship traditional solid wood series. It's defined by classic proportions, rustic lines, and honestly, surviving 3 different apartment moves for most of us. On the other side, entering in 2026, we have the newcomer, GULLABERG, designed by Nike Carlson. Now, what's super cool here is that GULLABERG doesn't just throw away that traditional framed aesthetic that made HEMNES so popular. Instead, it takes that familiar, cozy Scandinavian look and completely re-engineers it under the hood for modern living. It's a massive shift from traditional craftsmanship to modern technical precision.
Moving on to Section 2, materials and build quality. It's the ultimate battle of solid wood versus engineered.
Okay, so how do these actually feel? HEMNES is all about tactile warmth. It's made of solid pine wood, meaning you can literally feel the natural grain, the knots, and those little texture variations right under the stain. It feels very rustic and organic. But because pine is a softwood, you're definitely going to get some natural indentations over time. GULLABERG? Totally different approach. It uses engineered board. We're talking particle board and high-density fiberboard, coated in this ultra-smooth, uniform matte finish. It is flawless, factory-lacquered perfection without a single knot in sight. That makes it incredibly wipeable and highly resistant to localized moisture shifts. They did, however, keep solid wood for the legs just to maintain a really strong structural foundation.
You really see this evolution in the design details too. HEMNES gives you a subtle recessed bevel, those square straight pine legs, and of course, the iconic black metal drop knobs and pulls. It's a very classic, almost farmhouse-adjacent look. But GULLABERG sharpens things up. You get deeper recessed shadow lines on the framing, slightly tapered and turned legs, and they've swapped the metal hardware out for color-matched wooden knobs. It just feels a lot more seamless and monochromatic. Oh, and GULLABERG added this fantastic functional update, an integrated exterior wooden side hook, which is literally perfect for hanging tomorrow's outfit or a bathrobe.
Let's look at how this translates into the actual physical footprint in your room using the massive 8-drawer dressers as our sizing benchmark. HEMNES is 160 centimeters wide and 96 tall. GULLABERG is a little wider at 168 and taller at 100 centimeters. But here is the kicker, the depth. HEMNES is 50 centimeters deep, giving you maximum internal cubic volume for those giant winter sweaters. GULLABERG pulls it back to 48 centimeters. Now, why does 2 centimeters even matter? Because saving 2 crucial centimeters of floor space in a tight bedroom walkway or narrow hallway is actually a real game changer. It's a very intentional adjustment.
Section 3, Safety and Smart Engineering, and this is a really critical update.
So you need to know about the anchor and unlock system. This is IKEA's proprietary internal interlocking safety hardware. Basically, if you assemble a GULLABERG dresser, there's a track inside that physically restricts you from pulling out multiple large drawers at the exact same time. It will literally stay locked. The only way to unlock it? You have to securely fasten the unit to the wall bracket. They designed this mechanism specifically to meet really stringent global tip-over safety regulations, like the ASTM F2057 standards.
Putting these two side by side, the engineering shift is pretty staggering. HEMNES uses standard ball-bearing runners, you can open all the drawers at once if you really wanted to, and the safety of the piece relies entirely on user compliance, meaning you, the buyer, have to actively remember and choose to install that wall bracket. GULLABERG flips that completely. It fundamentally integrates safety into the drawer mechanism itself. By physically limiting the tip-over hazard before the wall attachment is even finalized, they've practically engineered human error right out of the equation. For a family home with kids, that is a monumental upgrade.
All right, Section 4, the PAX wardrobe connection. This is honestly GULLABERG's secret weapon. In modern design, it's all about modularity. Historically, HEMNES has been a gorgeous but totally standalone series. You buy the dresser, it sits in your room, and that's the whole shebang. But GULLABERG, it was built from day one to be fully, seamlessly compatible with IKEA's massive, highly customizable PAX wardrobe system.
The options here are kind of incredible. You can get official GULLABERG framed hinge doors made specifically to mount directly onto PAX cabinet frames. They come in the standard 195 centimeter height or the massive 229 centimeter full height. And they perfectly match the smooth white and medium gray finishes of the freestanding furniture. Practically speaking, this means you can build a massive, floor-to-ceiling custom closet that flawlessly matches your freestanding GULLABERG dressers and nightstands. You're getting a fully cohesive, built-in look using off-the-shelf parts. It's absolutely brilliant for modular room planning.
We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's bring it all together for Section 5, the final verdict.
Here is our objective buyer's guide to help you choose. You should definitely stick with the classic HEMNES if you prioritize authenticity. If you want that tactile warmth, the organic imperfections of real solid pine, HEMNES is for sure your winner. It's also perfect if you love those classic semi-transparent wood stains, like the famous black brown, where the natural character of the wood actually peeks through. And of course, if your main goal is just maximizing every single cubic inch of storage for really bulky winter clothes, that 50-centimeter depth gives HEMNES the heavy-duty edge.
On the flip side, you should confidently go with the new GULLABERG if you're all about modern engineering. Building a room around a PAX wardrobe and want everything to visually match perfectly, GULLABERG is literally purpose-built for you. If you've got a busy family home and want the absolute latest anchor and unlock safety mechanics built right into the design, it's a no-brainer. And aesthetically, if you just prefer a really sleek, wipeable, factory lacquered finish with absolutely zero visible knots, GULLABERG delivers that flawlessly.
So, what does this all mean for you? Which philosophy actually fits your lifestyle? Are you drawn to the tactile, rustic authenticity of heritage pine, or does the seamless modularity and smart safety of modern engineering win you over? Take a look around your own space, weigh the features we explored today, and decide which of these two titans truly deserves the investment. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. I hope it helped you figure out the perfect choice for your home. Keep learning, keep organizing, and I'll catch you on the next one.